Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Nayak. Today I need to discuss sum, difference and a product of complex number. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. Let Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus ID. At first you see sum. Sum means to add Z1 plus Z2. That is, you say Z1 plus Z2. Z1 is a complex number, Z2 is another a complex number. I will add Z1 and Z2. Then this, if you add Z1 plus Z2, this is called a sum. That is how much? You see A plus IB plus C plus ID. You see A plus IB, you see A is the real part, B is the imaginary part. Here C is the real part, D is the imaginary part. Suppose we need to add Z1 plus Z2, that means we have to know to add real part with real part and to add imaginary part with imaginary part. Now A plus IB plus C plus ID. Okay, that means A plus C plus IB plus ID. You see A is real part, C is also real part. That means real part will added to the real part and imaginary part B added to the imaginary part. So this is equal to A plus C plus I into B plus D. You see I is common in both B and IB and ID. So taking common I. So this is in the form of A plus IB. Again this is a complex number. Okay, that means Z1 plus Z2. If you add Z1 and Z2, Z1 and Z2, the sum is also a complex number, and you see real part will added with real part. You see, note, real part will added with real part. Okay, here real part is A, here real part is C. Okay, imaginary part is added with imaginary part. Imaginary part will added with imaginary part. Okay, this is the sum of the two complex numbers. Next you see difference of the complex number. Second you see Z1 minus Z2. Z1 minus Z2 means the difference of two complex number, one is Z1 and another one is Z2. You see Z1 is equal to how much? You have taken A plus IB minus Z2 is equal to how much? C plus ID. You see, when A plus IB is complex number, C plus ID a complex number, if we subtract these two, that means we have to subtract real part to real part and imaginary part to imaginary part. That means you write here A plus IB minus, you see, minus C minus plus minus ID. Okay, that is A minus C plus IB minus ID equal to A minus C plus I into B minus D. Okay, that means here also real part will subtract from real part. What? Real part will subtract from real part. Will subtract from real part. Subtract from real part, and the imaginary part will subtract from imaginary part. Will subtract from imaginary part. Understood? Suppose you need to subtract a complex number to another complex number, you have to subtract real part to real part and imaginary part to imaginary part. Pause the video, note it down. Next you see product of complex number. You see Z1 is a complex number, I have taken a plus ib. Z2 is a complex number, I have taken c plus id. Product means Z1 into Z2. Okay, Z1 is equal to a plus ib, Z2 is equal to c plus id. Okay, if you multiply a plus ib with c plus id, you see as usual you multiply a into c plus id plus ib into c plus id. Okay, that means how much? Sc plus iad plus ibc plus I square bd. Understood? You see here I square given, you know what is I square? I have already given the value of I square. I square is equal to -1. Okay, so this is equal to AC plus IAD plus IBC minus I square is equal to -1, plus into minus 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 BD. Okay, that means AC minus BD plus you see I is common here, I into AD plus BC. This minus BD I have written here. Okay, that means SC minus BD plus I into AD plus BC. If you multiply the two complex number, you can get another complex number. You see, not always you get a complex number, sometimes also you get a real number. Okay, you see here we can get a complex number. You see, that means as usual you multiply, and wherever you are getting I square, you just I square put the value of I square, that is -1. Okay, that is AC minus BD plus I into AD plus BC. This is the product of two complex number. Let you see some example. Suppose I will take z is equal to 2 plus 3i. Z1 you say. Z1 is equal to a plus 2 plus 3i. Z2 is equal to 4 plus 5i. Z1 plus Z2. This is the sum of two complex number, that is 2 plus 3i plus 4 plus 5i. Okay, that is 2 plus 3i plus 4 plus 5i. Okay, that is 2 plus 4 plus 3i plus 5i. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus, taking common I, you see, not taking common I, you see 3i plus 5i, that is 8i. That means we have added real part with real part, imaginary part with imaginary part. Suppose some question is given, Z1 is something a plus ib in this form, or Z2 is equal to c plus id in the form, you can add real part with real part and imaginary part with imaginary part. Another example you take, Z1 is equal to 3 plus 4i, you say, Z2 is equal to 5 minus 3i, you say. Okay, suppose Z1 minus Z2, we will subtract from one complex number to another complex number. Z1 minus Z2, that means 3 plus 4i minus 5 minus 3i. You see 3 plus 4i minus, you see minus 5 minus minus plus 3i. Here how much? 3 minus 5 plus 4i plus 3i. Okay, 3 minus 5 is equal to -2 plus 7i. Okay, this is in the form of a plus ib. Again, this is a complex number. If you subtract from one complex number to another, you write z1 whatever given in first complex number and you write the second complex number, then subtract this from this, you can get another complex number. Not always you can get a complex number, but here you can get a complex number. You see another example. This is example of difference of complex number. Complex number. Okay. You see, you find the product. Suppose Z1, find the product. You say, suppose find the product. Find the product means here Z1 is equal to given Z1 is equal to 3 plus 4i. Here also 3 plus 4i. Z2 is equal to 5 minus 3i. If you multiply, that means if you find the product, that is Z1 into Z2 is equal to 3 plus 4i multiplication 5 minus 3i. Okay, as usual you multiply 3 into 5 minus 3i, okay, plus 4i. 3 will multiply with 5 minus 3i, again plus is given, plus 4i is multiplied with 5 minus 3i. Okay, that is 15. 3 into 5 15 minus 3 into 3 9i plus 20i minus 12i into I square, I into I square. Okay, is equal to, you see 15 I square is equal to how much? You know I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, that means 15 minus 9i minus 9i plus 20i, how much? Plus 11i. Okay, minus 9 plus 20, that is plus 11i minus 12, I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, you know I square is equal to minus 1, that is 15 plus 11i plus 12, minus minus plus 12, that is 15 plus 12 plus 11i is equal to 15 plus 12, that is 27 plus 11i. Okay, this is the product of two complex numbers. Suppose two complex number is given, you have to find the product by applying this example. A real number cannot be equal to a complex number. Note, okay, equal to a complex number. A real number cannot be equal to a complex number. That means suppose some real number is given, it cannot be equal to a complex number. Again you see another one remark. A complex number z is equal to a plus ib is 0 when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. If both real part and imaginary part is 0, then the complex number is 0, otherwise it cannot be 0. Another thing you see, two complex number are said to be equal if or write when both real part and imaginary part are separately equal. separately equal. Two complex numbers are said to be equal when both real part and imaginary part are separately equal. Suppose you see z is equal to a plus ib, z1 is equal to 2 given, z1 is equal to n, z2 is equal to c plus id. Suppose z1 is equal to z2. If z1 is equal to z2, then a is equal to c and b is equal to d. Real part is equal to real part and imaginary part is equal to imaginary part separately. Then only we can say the two complex numbers are equal, otherwise unequal.